two colors. So if you are taking two colors, what we are going to make different is inner circle and the ribbons. Can you see the ribbons down? Okay, can you see the ribbons down? That ribbon and the inner circle will be different, and the main circle will be different. Okay, and if you don't want to make all this, you can use one color also. Okay, the same color badge. But I suggest you use two colors that will look very beautiful. Okay?
मैम
Yes, Arvi.
मैम इससे बनाना है.
Arvi, what I am presenting now, that you have to make. Okay, so first take what, Arvi?
ये रिबन से बनवाना है सर्कल.
Yes, ma'am. जो अंदर का सर्कल है ना, white circle, that we have to make right now. So I am also having a coin. If you can see, I will make a small circle. अंदर का जो white circle है, I will make that. Okay. Pencil. You take the pencil and draw. Take the pencil. Put a coin on a paper. Draw the circle. And then cut it. You all can use your bottle cap. Circle can be big or small. It will be okay. I have turned off my fan because my papers are going here and there.
आप रेसिपी दिखाओगे मिस?
Just a second, ma'am. This one is different. So first you just cut the circle. I am just cutting the circle. I will play the video afterwards. Okay, I have done with the circle. See, this is my circle. I have cut. Okay, now you can take a sketch pen and you can write whatever you want to write for your mama. Okay, I'm writing, I love you, mom. Okay, just a second. I will show you.
मैम आपको पिन करना है.
You can pin me right now, and then I will play the video. If you don't understand anything, please let me know so I can help you. See, I have written with the sketch pen like this. Just a second, I'm showing you. Can you see that? M-O-M, mom. Okay, shall I play the video now? Okay, I'm playing the video. See, you have to take a paper. Okay, I'm taking this paper.
मैम
Yes.
मैम सर्कल का में क्या लिखेला?
This I, then a heart, then a M-O-M, mom.
I love my mom.
Yes, that's what I have written. Okay. Okay, so now you have to take a paper. If you have square paper, you have to turn it. If you have a A4 size paper, then also you have to cut the paper. You have to fold the paper like this, and you have to make a rectangle shape. Okay, you have to make a rectangle shape like this. Once you are done with the folding, yes,
We have to turn like this or like this.
rectangle shape. See, your paper is A4, right? So
Yes.
you can fold it till it has a rectangle shape. Once you get the rectangle shape, just press it from here. Okay, just
Like
get the
this.
rectangle shape.
मैम आपने
Okay,
मार्बल पेपर लिया है, मार्बल पेपर लेना है.
I was not having A4 size paper, that's why.
ओके.
That's why I took marble paper, but you all can have your A4 size paper. और फिर वहां पे जहां तक रेक्टेंगल शेप आता है तब वहां तक आप ऐसे पेपर फोल्ड कीजिए, देन प्रेस इट फ्रॉम हियर, एंड जहां से फोल्ड खोलने पर ये लाइन बनती है, यू हैव टू कट इट फ्रॉम देयर. ओके, टेक द सीजर्स एंड कट दैट रेक्टेंगल. See, I am cutting this.
Ma'am, my A4 size paper is like this.
Yes, you can use that only.
Ma'am,
Okay, so it will be having two parts like this. Yes, Rachit?
कौन सी साइज का रेक्टेंगल कट करना
Any
है?
size, baby. See, I have cut it from this side. Any size. Okay?
Okay.
आपको रेक्टेंगल कट करना है. ओके, आपका आप
वीडियो नहीं
A4
आ रहा
साइज
है.
पेपर एक तरफ से फोल्ड करोगे ना थोड़ा सा, तो दैट विल बिकम अ रेक्टेंगल शेप. ओके,
आपका वीडियो ऑन नहीं हुआ है.
मैम मैं बता रही हूँ, मैं वीडियो भी प्ले कर रही हूँ और मैं बता भी रही हूँ साथ साथ में. ओके, यस, हियर वेरी गुड. यस, एग्जैक्टली द सेम.
टीचर कट द रेक्टेंगल.
Okay, done with the rectangle. Now this rectangle also you have to fold it. Okay, from corner to corner, fold it. Okay, and then again make a press and give a center line.
We have to
Okay,
fold like this.
see, you have to fold till corner to corner and make a press and give a line to the center. Okay, like this. I have stopped, paused the video on that also, you can see, and I am doing it also. Okay, now your fold is having a line in center. Okay, so you have to cut this also.
मैम अगेन फोल्ड और सिंगल फोल्ड.
Yes, again fold, single fold and cut. Only single fold and cut. No, like this. Like this.
No ma'am, once we have cut and again to fold, that cut paper.
Uh, can I see your paper? Just a second, I'm not able to see. Okay, Mishti. Yes, ma'am, you have to fold it again like this. Okay, see, I'm showing you. Again like this you have to fold. So that will be thin rectangle.
Single paper or both paper?
Single paper.
No ma'am.
From that paper you have already make a rectangle. That rectangle only you have to fold. Okay.
No, but we have two rectangles. So both rectangles.
Only one, any one.
Okay.
Any one. Okay. See, it's folding the paper, and now you have to cut from the center. Okay, yes, Pransh. Okay, see, like this you have to cut the paper from the center. I'm cutting this right away. So my rectangle will become two rectangle, two thin scale size rectangle. Okay. Okay, done till here everyone. So it will be two rectangles. Okay, done till here. Okay, let's see the next. Okay, now there is a fold. Now there is a fold. Okay, this is having some different type of fold. I will show you the easiest way to fold. Okay, you can fold it like this. Okay, first you have to fold here like this, then back side fold, then again upside fold, again back side fold, again upside fold, then again back side fold. So your paper will become short. Okay, and your paper crease will be seen like this. Got it? Up down, up down, up down, you have to fold it. Okay, I'm folded it again in front of you.
3 times or 2 times?
The whole paper. You have to finish the whole paper by folding it. Okay, then again back side fold, then again front fold, back fold,
मैम
front
मैं
fold. Okay, those who are done, please wait for others. Back fold, front fold, back fold. See, my paper is finished. Okay, back fold, then again front fold. So paper will become like this, and if you and press it very nicely. Okay, press this very nicely, so it will not leave the loose crease. Okay, done till here.
Ma'am, we have to do.
Okay, so your paper will, yes, see, your paper will be like this.
We have to do
Yes, Rachit.
both paper.
Rectangle you fold like this, and other rectangle also you have to make a fold. Yes, Rachit, yes, I'm telling that only. See, the first rectangle I have fold, and I'm going to now fold the other rectangle also. Okay. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, see, like this. Yes. Okay, now you all can show me your first rectangle you have made. Done with the first rectangle? Show me the first rectangle. Okay, very good, all of you. Okay, now take another rectangle.
Another.
Okay. First back side, then again front side, back side, front side. Start folding it. Back side, then again front side, back side, front side, back side, front side, back side. You all are so fast. Very good. Back side and front side. Okay. And give a nice press to it. Okay. So this paper will also become like this. Okay. Your badge will become so thick if you have cut it so thick. Okay. Now you all can show me your two papers which is ready. Oh my God, what happened?
Look, I have done this. Ma'am, see mine.
Children, please wait because something went wrong with my. Wait, babies. Wait, everyone. Can you hear me?
Ma'am, see
All of you.
mine.
Can you hear me, all of you?
Ma'am, see mine. Yes, ma'am.
Can you hear me, children?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Okay, okay. Children, something went wrong with my display, so please wait for 5 minutes. Okay, something went wrong with my display. I'm not able to see you all, so I'm joining again. Okay? Don't go anywhere. I'm joining again in 5 minutes.
कलरिंग पेपर ऊपर से लाने का याद नहीं करती।
तो मैंने तुमको किया कलरिंग पेपर लाने के, तो तुमने क्या नहीं? देखो मम्मी,
Let me dinner. हाँ सीजर
Okay, I'm here. Now you all can show me your two papers, which is ready.
yes ma'am.
Okay. Okay, show me fast. Okay, very good.
Ma'am, see mine.
Yes, next I am showing you what you have to do and I will also explain
Ma'am.
you. Yes.
Mine.
Yes, I have seen everyone's. Okay, tell me once you can see my screen.
See.
Okay, now you have to take a glue. See, now you have to take a glue and you have to paste it on the one side. Okay, corner, not on the whole paper. A corner. Can you see the corner of your folding paper? On the one side, you have to stick a. If you have a Fevicol, you can use it. If you don't have a Fevicol, you can use Fevistick. Okay, I have paused the video to that so you can understand. Okay, here you have to put a glue. Okay, like this. Okay, done till here. Then what you have to do, see, you have to take another paper, another rectangle, and you have to join that rectangle with the paper on which you have put a glue. Okay, I am joining these two papers are together. Okay, see, I am joining this both the papers together like this. Okay, see here. I have paused the video on that. You have to stick both the papers. Okay, both the papers together. Very good. He is doing all alone. Very nice. Okay, you have to stick it like this. I'm again presenting that. Okay, done till here. Press very gently so it will not move anywhere. It will stick perfectly. Okay, press firmly. Okay, now see the next. After joining this part perfectly, see, you have to fold all the paper together. Again, all the folds, you have to do all the folds together. And give a nice press. So it will be a good zigzag lines on the papers. Okay. Now see what's next we have to do. See, the one part of the paper you have to take. The one part of the paper you have to take any, this or this. Okay, now your paper is bigger like this. Okay, so you have to take any one part and you have to put a glue again on one part. Okay, I am again putting a glue on one part, on one side. Okay. Then what you have to do, see. Then you have to join both the corners together. Okay. Yes, very good here. I can see yours. Okay. Then you have to join both the corners. One side of rectangle, another side of rectangle which you have fold. You have to join both like this.
मैम कैसे करना है?
Arvi, it is there in the video. See, beta. On the one side, you have to take a glue and stick it and see the video. Okay. Again, आपको थोड़ा सा glue एक side पर लगाना है और another side you have to stick.
मैम ऐसा.
Okay. See. Yes, Pransh. Yes. Another side आपको ऐसे fold करना है. ठीक है? Okay. Yes, Sarthak. Good. Okay, now your paper will be like this. Okay, the which you are showing me. Okay, your paper will be like that only. Okay, if you want to give a nice press, you can again give a nice press. Okay, your paper will be like this. Yes, Buranuddin, very nice. Now you all can show me this circle. Okay, come on, 1, 2, 3, show me the circle. Very good, everyone. Okay, so now what you have to do next? See, I will play the video.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
And see, circle is too big.
It's okay. Just because of that, you have cut the big rectangle, you will get the big circle. Yes, Nihal. Nihal, it should be like this. Okay? Okay. निहाल आप दोनों सर्कल्स ज्वाइन कर दो. Yes, किया. Very good.
Like this now.
Yes. Yes. If you have joined the circles, yes, very good. Now see carefully what next we have to do. Very gently you have to put a circle and make a flat. Okay? Like this. अंदर से ऐसे आपको सर्कल फ्लैट करना है. ठीक है? You have to flatten your circle. Okay? See. It will be like this. You can adjust your holes. Okay?
Mummy, काम
Okay.
बोल पूछा था.
Do you have this circle? Do you have the circle like this? You have to press it. Okay? It will not be adjusting. You have to hold it. Okay?
Oh, mummy, I want to
What next you have to see? Yes,
Ma'am, how
Kavita.
did we do it? Ma'am, how did we do it?
Shall I explain from beginning?
Yes, yes.
Okay, so first you have to take a paper of rectangle size. Okay, then you have to take a fold from center.
Ma'am, the circle that you made after that, ma'am.
Okay,
Ma'am, you
so
made this, ma'am, after this.
okay, after this you see your circle is like this, right? Your
Miss,
circle
आपकी
is like
जैसा
this.
होता है,
Okay,
हमसे.
now what you have to do? You just have to hold it from the inner side, okay, from
Yeah.
both the hand, and you just have to flatten it like this. Okay, you just have to flatten it, and see in the video it is arranging the circle. I will play again. See in the video it is arranging the circle by putting it all the folds together. See. Okay, all the folds together and press it firmly, so your circle will not be mess. Okay, now what next it is doing? See. Yes, Buranuddin, nice. See, now what you have to do? You have to cut a circle again, not the circle in which we have written.
I got like this.
Yes, after this, see, I am explaining it again. Children, please be with me, and if you are not with me, please tell me. Okay? Yes, Nihal, you also see. I have also this circle. If you are not able to do, you just have to cut a circle, get ready with it, put your circle and flatten like this. Okay? You have to get it flatten like this. Flatten. आप उसको फ्लैट कर दो. ये सर्कल ऐसे पकड़ो, अंदर से थोड़ा हाथ ऐसे डालो और फिर उसको ऐसे फ्लैट कर दो. ठीक है? फ्लैट करने के बाद भी अगर आपका फोल्ड नहीं रुक रहा है, then you have to press it all the folds. Okay, all the folds, सारे folds को साथ में कर दो. Then cut the circle again. एक छोटा सा सर्कल कट करके आप उसके ऊपर स्टिक कर दो. I have lost my scissor.
मैम मेरा नहीं हो रहा।
Who's that?
मैम
Yes.
जो हमने फर्स्ट में कट किया था वही लगा है क्या?
No, this is the another circle.
टीचर can't do flat.
Sorry, Sarthak. What did you say?
Can't do flat
हाँ.
circle.
Yeah, if you can't do flat, cut another circle. That circle has to be big. So I am cutting the circle because my circle is not. My circle is also not getting the flatten.
मैम हमसे नहीं होता है। टीचर
Yes.
we have to मैम देखो we have
Okay.
to keep this।
See,
मैम देखो
my circle is also not getting flatter. So I am cutting this. Okay. My circle is also not getting flatter. So I am cutting this circle. Children, please mute yourself. I will see. First, I have to help those children who are left with the work. Okay. So if you are done, you have to wait for others. Okay. Now those children whose circle is not flattened. Yes.
मैम
हाँ.
ऐसे नहीं हो रहा है।
I will explain you, Arvi. Wait. Okay. Have you cut the circle? Those children who are not able to flatten the circle. Okay. They have to cut the circle. Put a glue on that. Put a glue on that.
Yes मैम glue।
Okay. And all the folds together. सारे folds को एक साथ कर लो ऐसे. ठीक है. Can you see all the folds together? Because my folds are like this. वो एक साथ नहीं रह रहे हैं. So I am keeping all the folds together. And at the back, the big circle, at the back you have to paste it. Okay. आप ऐसे पीछे सारे folds को एक साथ करके पीछे ऐसे circle लगा दो. ठीक है. So आपके folds ऐसे ही रहेंगे. Get it? Now another circle.
Nice like this।
Friends, we have moved so many things. Okay, we have moved ahead. See, Pransh, मैं आपको वीडियो बता रही हूँ, आप ध्यान से देखो. See, now you have to put a glue on the other side. You have done this. Okay, देखो अब क्या करना है देखो. See what you have to do. See what you have to do now. You have joined both the sides of the circle. See the video, Pransh. Give a nice fold. Now how she is doing, see. Like this. Okay. Like this.
But there is no video and
Okay. I will present. Okay. Can you see my screen? Now? Now see, Pransh. How she is flattened the circle. See. Put your hands. Okay. Put your both the hands inside the circle and flatten it with your thumb. Okay. Can I play it again? See. Like that way. Okay. Yeah. Yes. Yeah. Okay. So your circle will be like this. Now on that circle which you have written, I love you, mom. Okay, the circle on which you have written, I love you, mom. I'm cutting
Ma'am,
it
it is
another
not
circle.
like this.
Friends, you can take the help of your anyone available at your home.
Ma'am, can you repeat this video?
Yes, ma'am, I will repeat. But ma'am, please just don't see the folds because I have made the folds easier for the children. It is having a kind of tough folds. Okay, so ignore the folds and you can have a look on the other things.
मैम
Yes,
ये है ना नहीं हुआ मेरा
किसका नहीं हुआ? Veronica.
हाँ मेरा नहीं हुआ ये
Veronica, see the video and I will help you out, okay? After some time. Okay, now children, in that circle which you have written, I love mom. I love you, mom.
टीचर
Put a glue on that circle.
glue inside
Back side, of course, back side.
मैम how we have to do flat मैम इतना हो गया अभी क्या करना आई एम डूइंग so it is not happening
See, this is my circle on which I have written, I love mom. I'm putting this circle in front. Okay, again I'm.
मैम इतना हो गया अभी क्या करना है
Wait, children. Okay, so Rachit, very good.
how I have to do this thumb
Just wait, huh, Rachit. Very nice. Very good. Very good. Now, Rachit, you have to wait, huh, because I'm making other children understand. So please wait for a minute. My glue is not proper. I'm doing it again and again.
मैम देखो
थोड़ी देर दबा कर
Yes, Kia. Nice. 11.
मेरा बोल
Oh, my circle is. My circle is totally spoiled. Just a second. Now it's sticking like anything. Just wait, huh, children.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
For do the proper circle, we have to take 4 parts and then we have to join. If
Four
we
parts.
yes, we take 2 parts. Na, if we take 4 parts, then only we can make the proper circle.
Yes, ma'am. So one part is there which you will write, I love my mom, and then the other part will be back,
Yes.
and the other one part of the circle will be also there.
Yes.
So that will have a support.
Yes.
Yes. Okay, children, just a second. I am making my circle done. Okay, those who are done can see the video and do it further if you can, or else I will explain it. Okay. Children, my circle is spoiled, so I will explain how to do. Okay, you can see the video and do it. Okay, because my circle is totally spoiled. I'm not able to do it. Then I'm trying. You can see the video and do it. Now you
Excuse me,
have.
मैम.
Yes, ma'am.
मैम ये वाला जो हम अपन ने 2 पार्ट्स लिए थे ना,
हाँ
ये zigzag वाले, वो
हाँ मैम.
अपन 4 पार्ट्स लेके ज्वाइन करेंगे ना, तो प्रॉपर सर्कल बन जाएगा.
ओके बट मैम व्हाट विल हैपन आपका सर्कल फिर बहुत बड़ा हो जाएगा. योर सर्कल विल बी टू बिग जस्ट बिकॉज वी आर मेकिंग बैज. इट इज ओके, योर साइज इज प्रॉपर. आपने जो बनाया है
Yes.
वो साइज ठीक है.
हाँ.
है ना.
तो मैम वो पूरा जॉइंट होने के लिए है ना मैम 4 पार्ट्स लगेंगे.
अच्छा, यू आर सेइंग दैट. ओके, 4
हाँ.
पार्ट ऑफ द रेक्टेंगल विल बी देयर.
Rectangle. And
Okay, so
rectangle we
in the
have to take a small size.
yes ma'am, yes.
ये जो वीक है ना, ये वीक वो स्मॉल साइज की होगी ना, तो छोटा सर्कल भी बन जाएगा.
हाँ मैम, that's what. But
वीडियो में 2 पार्ट्स ही लिए हैं, पर अपन को ये zigzag वाले 4 पार्ट्स लेंगे ना, तो
हाँ, I got your point. Thank you so much, ma'am.
वेलकम.
Yes, Mishti, very good. Which video is playing now?
Ma'am, see.
Just a second, baby. Just a second, I'm presenting again.
Fake beans and nuggets.
Okay, there you go.
Ma'am, see.
Yes, Arvi, very nice.
Ma'am. देखो मैम देखो
Very good, everyone. Very good, Rajit. Yeah. Please switch off your microphone.
मैम देखो मैम देखो मैम देखो
Kiara, wait, I have to pin you because I can't see your camera is on.
Kaira.
Yes, Kaira. You both are together, no? That's right. Yes, very good. I have seen you. Very nice. Okay, I hope everyone is done till here.
Ma'am, see.
Yes, here. Yes, here. Nice.
Ma'am.
Okay, here your circle is also like me. It is not standing, so I have give a support at the back also of the circle, and I have stick the I love my mom circle also in the circle, so it will be supported. Okay, everyone done till here? Everyone done till here?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now quickly
No,
cut the
ma'am.
ribbons.
No, ma'am.
Okay, Pransh, take your time. Those who are left, we will do in the general awareness class. Okay, don't worry. Don't worry. You can take your time. Now quickly cut two papers, two lines. Okay, two stripes.
Ma'am, see.
Yes, Rachit, I can see. Rachit, you can put. Yes, Kiara. Okay.
Ma'am, see.
बता मैम बोल ले.
Ma'am, me.
Yes. Jaitik, very nice.
Ma'am, my name is. Ma'am.
I can't see all the children together, so please wait.
Ma'am, see.
Yes,
Baba,
Burhanuddin, nice.
मेरी height
Okay,
बहुत
you can
बड़ी
take a glue. You can put a glue like this.
यार मम्मी कौन जल्दी
My video is
देखो
still
यार
playing. Those who are not done, please switch off your mic, everyone.
देखा देखा
Okay,
मैंने
now,
क्या बोला
yes. Switch off your microphone. See, now you have to take a paper like this. Okay. Again, a small rectangle, small size of rectangle. Okay, you can take a different paper also. You can take a same paper also. Then you have to give a fold. I have paused the video to that. You can give a nice fold to it. Okay. After the nice fold, you have to cut it from the center. See, you have to cut it a triangle. You have to cut a triangle from the corner. So your triangle will be the same in both the ribbons.
ma'am
Yes.
what we have to do now
Okay. Just a second. Ma'am, I will show you the video. Okay.
okay
See, you are here, right?
yes
Okay. Now see, you have to put your hands inside the circle and you have to flatten this like this.
okay
Okay. Now I am doing ahead. Okay, children, done till here. Now cut the stripes from the center line. Your fold has given the center line. So cut this. Okay, that will be 2 stripes. Those who are not done, that will be 2 stripes. Now stick one on the another. Okay, put a glue. Put the glue on one stripe. On the one strip you are going to put a glue, and that strip you are going to put on another stripe. Okay, like this. Okay, Nihal, done in here. Shall I move? Shall I play the video again?
no ma'am
Okay,
it's working
okay. So the stripes will be like this. Your stripes will be like this. Okay,
ma'am
Jaitik. Yes, Jaitik.
should I leave the class I
No, baby, no, baby. You don't have to leave the class. Sorry. Okay, after this you have music class. So this stripes will be there. Now you have to put again a glue on this. Okay, it will become a V. It will become a V. Now put again a glue. Take your circle. I love mom should be in front. The circle which is at the back, you have to put your stripe here. Okay, like this. Now you have to paste it here in the center. Okay, press it very firmly like this and see. Okay, my badge is ready. Okay. Now if you have two-way tape, you can use the two-way tape. If you have sellotape, also you can use sellotape. But in the general awareness class, put the sellotape here. So when your mama will be there, you can put a badge here. Okay. Got it, everyone? Okay. So children, those who are done can go for the break and join your music class. Those who are left, we will continue this activity in the general awareness class. Okay? And those who are done, we will have Mother Day celebration to them. Okay. Sarthak, what happened?
एक मिनट, first